So isn't that just the cutest little cabinet? It has so many great functions. Here at Not Right University, Not Right U. Look at that, we can put socks in there. You can imagine like roll of towels, put it for like your linens or something in the bathroom. Toilet paper, toiletries, shampoos. Put it in your shabby chic bedroom. Put your socks and underwear in there. Why don't you comment down in the comments below? Tell me, what would you use it for?
I am dusting off this old basket.
All right, so while you're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and put a second coat of paint on the basket holder.
Okay.
All right, so you get those three done, go ahead and start working on those, and I'll get started on the other project, okay?
Okay.
If that one's too big for you, try that little one if it works better. It might, I don't know. There you are. Welcome back to another video of Not Right You. Today we're going to be working on this. Basically, it's a flip I'm going to do. It's a nice little utility cabinet, I guess, cubby type cabinet. Needs a good cleaning. And then we're going to go ahead and throw some paint on it and then turn it over to Kelly and let her do her little thing with it. Probably wax those slides up after I get it painted too. It will expand for a day or two maybe after I put the paint on there. It's got a good coat of stain and looks like some old poly or something on it. We'll go ahead and sand that off first a little bit. Pretty sturdy. Might go ahead and fix that up a little bit too. A little glue, maybe a couple staples here and there. Get working on that project. I have a couple more I'm going to probably do starting tonight and throughout the rest of the weekend. See if we can't get another video together before Sunday night. Kentucky Derby's coming up, so I'm going to be kind of busy on Saturday. I'm not going to get a whole lot done on that day, but we'll see what happens. Let's get started. So this is going to cut a lot of the gunk that's on here or anything that I don't want on there. Didn't make sense, you couldn't hear what I said. All right. The warden. She's lurking. She just told me I should only be working on one project at a time. There's the fun in that. I just can't want to. Getting closer. Uh-oh, that's good. I decided to go with a white on this. Really not much of a paint fan. I don't enjoy it, but I do enjoy the final, you know, when it's done. One of those other things that kind of leave up to Kelly because she's just better at it, or maybe has more patience, attention to detail. I'm not that I'm not an attention to detail guy, I'm just too lazy. Too big of a hurry. Want to do the big picture and move on to the next project. But I've learned over the years to slow down and take my time. So we're going to do some distance on this and see where we end up at.
A couple days have gone by. It's gonna be back in the wood shop, isn't it? It's been a while.
Well, it feels like it's forever, but
I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. Well, maybe not finish, but I'm gonna make some distance on this cap. I don't even know what it's called. Basket cabinet? Bath cabinet? I don't know. Wherever I put a nice coat of white paint on there, and now I'm going to sand it and distress it a little bit. Maybe. I don't want to dirty it up. I think I'm done with this one. At least my portion of it. I believe. Cleaned up pretty nice. Got it smoothed down with a good 600 grit sandpaper. And then this part here, so I give it the distress look on all the edges with some sanding. And then this part here, I'm going to turn over to Kelly and let her do her thing on it. Probably put some type of stamp on it.
What about a rooster in there? So now they're ready to stamp. They're where I want them, and all I got to do is add the ink and set it down. Before that, we're going to add this grain stripe. I'm going to get it straighter on. And overlapping it Very so slightly.
What's the dry time on that?
Depends on your humidity and the temperature. Not long. It's good. Just nice, even pressure. You don't want to move it. They're so pretty. Very pretty.
There's lots of exciting ideas for there, isn't it? Wouldn't you like to have that? Reach out, tell me what you would do with one. In fact, you can get baskets all day long. You should go ahead and build one yourself. Don't you think so? Sure you do. Somebody's got to clean this mess up.